Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to securely move your XRP from Revolut to a Tangem wallet. It's a smart move for better control and safety, especially with all the updates in the crypto space this year. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps so you can do it yourself in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your apps are up to date. Download the latest versions of both Revolut and Tangem Wallet on your device. This is crucial because 2025 has brought some enhancements to crypto transfers for smoother experiences. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in securely. Navigate to the Crypto or Assets section and select your XRP balance. You'll see an option to Send or Transfer. Tap that to get started. Next, you'll need your Tangem Wallet address. Open the Tangem app, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Nothing worse than sending to the wrong place. Back in Revolut, paste the Tangem address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees might be lower due to network upgrades, but always review them before proceeding to ensure it's cost-effective. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a summary of the transaction. Take a moment to verify the details. After you approve, the transfer will process on the blockchain, which could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Finally, once it's complete, open your Tangem Wallet app and refresh your balance to confirm the XRP has arrived. Congratulations! You've just taken control of your assets. That's it for this guide. Sending XRP is easier than ever in 2025, but always prioritize security and keep an eye on market changes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.